In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 crystals that help you attract love and self-love, love in your relationships, love in your career, basically just unconditional love. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another video. I do upload a beauty video every single week, a spiritual video like a law of attraction manifestation video every single week, and every single Friday I have a free pick a card reading on my channel, so you don't want to miss out on any of this. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different crystals. Now these crystals help with basically love. These are crystals and stones of love. They promote self-love, they promote love in relationships, they attract love, they protect and enhance love, and they're very powerful for like love type of energy. Now I have an entire crystal series on my channel, so this is a part of that series. I have 5 crystals that help you attract money. And I also have a video all about rose quartz, all about labradorite, and just a bunch of other different kinds of crystals on my channel. I really believe in the healing power of crystals. Now, a lot of people say that it is a placebo, that, you know, the crystal itself doesn't have the energy. It's just that you associate rose quartz with love, and so every time you look at it, every time it comes in your attention span, you look at the rose quartz and it's automatically like, okay, love. So it's very, very healing whether you believe in the power of crystals, or it's very, very healing in a placebo way, whatever you want to believe. So let's get right into it. 5 different crystals and stones that help you attract love. Number 1 is the rose quartz stone. Now this is the stone of unconditional love. This is like the magnet of love. It's a stone of the heart. It's a pink. It's very, very light pink, dusty pink. Rose quartz enhances love. It attracts love in your relationships with other people, your partner, and it also attracts love like for yourself, inner like self-love. If you're in a relationship, keep a rose quartz crystal in your bedroom, because it just protects the love, protects your bond, and it helps to enhance the communication, and it also makes your love protected. This is also called the ultimate stone of love, and it's really powerful to keep it on you, like wearing it. You can get rose quartz necklaces, bracelets, earrings, jewelry. There's so many different options, but it has a very calming and soothing energy. The energy is calm and relaxed. It's easier to let love in rather than when the energy is just aggressive and angry. It's around feelings like those that it's really hard to let love in, and it's around these calm, relaxed feelings that it's easier to let love in. So that's another reason that rose quartz is very powerful regarding love. I actually have a video on how you could use rose quartz to attract love, and it's really, really easy. It's basically you're putting rose quartz in water, and I show you guys how to charge the water, and I'll leave that video link down below. I feel like for all of those of you guys who are looking to attract a soulmate, or just attract healing inside of yourself or self-love, that's a really powerful video for you guys to watch. The next stone that helps you attract love is labradorite. Now this is my favorite crystal. Now I know I'm calling it stone and crystal, but it's either or. Like, you can call it a stone or you can call it a crystal. But labradorite is my favorite stone. I wear labradorite every single day. I keep labradorite underneath my mattress. I keep it in my bedroom. I keep it in my office. I keep it near my laptop. Like, this stone has created huge changes in my life. This is a stone of synchronicity. It's the stone of serendipity. It's the stone of transformation and change. It's also the stone of magic. So what this stone does is it puts everything, everyone, every situation, every circumstance in the right place at the right time for you to manifest what you need and what you want. And I feel like that's very, very powerful, because a lot of the times when we try to attract or manifest something, we don't understand that a lot of things need to shift and move around in the universe for us to get that, for us to attain that. And I feel like this really helps to get the energies moving. It basically aligns and shifts things in your favor. It adds a lot of fun and spontaneous energy into your life. And I feel like when you are spontaneous and when you are looking for like fun and something to do that makes you happy, when you are doing something happy, when you're doing something that raises your vibration, it's easier to let love in. It's easier to attract the love versus if you're like sitting at home moping around, or just lazy, or don't want to go out, or just, you know, you get into a routine and you don't want to break out of it. It's really hard to bring love in that way. And so this is a stone that really gets those energies out of the way. It also puts you in the right place at the right time if you're trying to manifest or attract a specific soulmate. And it also just clears the pathway for love to come to you. And it's also very powerful in like healing energy. And you cannot attract love if you don't heal things within yourself. If you have past trauma, if you have like self-limiting beliefs about love, those are blocks. Like those are blocks preventing you from inviting your soulmate into your life or love into your life. And that's why I really love this stone, is because it just gets energies moving, gets energies going. It stops routine from happening. I feel like when routine happens, things get boring. So if you are in a relationship and it's just a little bit like boring, stagnant energy, or it just feels a little bit routine like, then I feel like Labradorite is a really important crystal for you to have. You can keep it under your mattress, on yourself, as jewelry. The third crystal that is really, really powerful in attracting love is called Malachite. Now, I have a jar here where I glued a malachite skull on the top of the jar. This is my jar of kava, and so I wanted to have this stone on top of my jar to charge my kava, to have the energies of this malachite to infuse my kava. Malachite is a stone of transformation. It usually comes in this like greenish color. It's very, very powerful for your heart chakra. It helps you open your mind, and it helps you open your heart to love. And a lot of times, like, we get desperate, or we just lose belief, or we lose hope, or we just feel like we don't deserve love. That's why it's not coming to us. But a lot of these are because of our negative thoughts on love and our belief systems about love, whether we deserve it or not, or what kind of person we think we deserve, or what are we worth. These are all things that if your thought process about each of these things is not healthy or not positive, those create blocks in bringing love in. And so I feel like malachite is a stone that transforms these energies and these thoughts, really gets the energies moving to transform your thoughts into positive, loving thoughts about yourself. And that's really where the whole process begins of how you could attract somebody into your life, how you could attract your soulmate, how you could attract your love into your life. Malachite also helps you open your mind and your heart to the love that's already around you. I feel like there's so many people who take for granted the love that's already in their lives. Me, one of them. Like, I take it for granted, I'm not gonna lie. And this is a stone that really just opens your eyes to help you see, like, wow, there are people in my life that genuinely really care about me, really love me. And it's a really, really good feeling when you're aware of that. It also opens your eyes to the love that you have or don't have for your career, for your home, for your car, like for your finances, for money. It's just very eye-opening, and I feel like that's another reason that it's so powerful for love, because it helps you see where in your life you have love and where in your life you want love, and where in your life you have something that is preventing you from receiving love. This stone also helps to take negative energy away from you and your relationships and your love life. It's a very, very powerful stone. I really, really love it. I actually got this from Mexico, and I just got this jar from Walmart, and then I E6000 the skull right on top of the jar. And I feel like that's very, very magical if you guys want to like infuse something, like if you have tea, or if you have like coffee or sugar, and you put it in a jar, and you could just like glue a stone right on top, and you just, the energy of it kind of just engulfs your ingredient. The fourth stone for love is jade. Now I have a little tiny piece of jade right here. Jade has been used for centuries, and jade is very, very powerful. So the jade stone has been used in beauty for the rolling thing, jade rollers. You can use it on your face, which I do have a video coming up on that. I have a jade roller that I want to share with you guys how to use it, what are the benefits of it. But basically it's used in a lot of beauty routines to get rid of the fluid sacs in your face. Like sometimes fluid gets built up, and jade rollers are really good to just get rid of those. But anyways, a jade stone regarding love, it's a stone of renewal. It renews love. Like, it just brings a new love energy into your life. Like if you have existing relationships, it kind of just renews the love. It helps you, it brings it out. It kind of helps to bring out the feeling of, wow, I really love this person, and why don't I show it? And why am I just like not allowing myself to feel it, or not allowing myself to receive love from this person who's giving it to me so openly? It just really helps you see all those things. The energy of this is very like new. It also helps to enhance trust in relationships. It's a very lucky stone regarding love. So if you're trying to manifest or attract somebody in your love life, I feel like you can carry this stone with you. It's very, very lucky for that. It basically helps you to see aspects of you and your relationships that you love. Like, it helps you see the love again. It has a very like playful, childlike energy. When you have this playful, childlike energy, it's very easy to attract love into your life faster. It's like just all the blocks are just dropping and releasing and breaking because your vibration is so positive and high. And when you are not vibrating in a good vibration, then that's when the walls go up and the blocks come up, and that's not a good thing when you're trying to attract love, for whether it's in your love life or whether it's self-love. You want to keep all the walls down because you have to be completely vulnerable to really allow love to come in. And the last stone I want to talk about is one that you guys probably see in my videos all the time. This is my amethyst stone, and it sits right up here somewhere in the background in majority of my videos. Now, why is amethyst so powerful for love? Because I know that this stone has a lot of different meanings and a lot of different properties, but for me, it's a stone of sobriety. It's a stone for your mind. Like any overactive thoughts, it just calms it down. It's a very calming, soothing stone for your mind. And a lot of times, if we don't have self-love, if we're not in a good place within ourselves, or if our relationships are not going the way that we want to, a lot of emotions like guilt, desperation, panic, worry, anxiety, stress, a lot of these kinds of different emotions come up, and these emotions are creating even bigger blocks from us and our love. Like in between us and love, it creates blocks. So amethyst is something that really helps calm those feelings, really helps calm those emotions. It's a stone for people with addictions. Now, I feel like this is not just substance addiction. It's also people get addicted to thoughts and beliefs. Like if you believe all your life since you were a little kid that you don't deserve money or you will never be able to make billions of dollars, like that's a belief system that's instilled in you since you were a little kid, you become so addicted to that belief that it's hard to believe something else or to believe the opposite, which is, no, I deserve it. I could make that kind of money. Why can't I? Like, yes, I could attract that. I do deserve that. It's very hard to break out of certain patterns just because it's been instilled in us since we were little. And amethyst is a stone that really, really helps to keep that energy going. Amethyst really helps to release these blocks, and so making a clear pathway for love to come into your life easier. But these stones are merely just tools to bring these energies into your life, to promote these energies, enhance these energies, but really love can only come to you if you allow it to come to you, and if you have to change your thought process and your belief systems regarding love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I do have an entire crystal series, and this video is a part of that series, and I'll leave it linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!